Hi guys, welcome in today's video where we're going to see a tutorial on how to get Blox fruit script, new update for iOS and Android users, plus a direct install link including auto farm, respawn time, and a lot more. I will let you discover it by yourself, and it's really super easy to download it. It will take like 2 or 3 minutes to have it just by following some simple steps and you are good to go. So let's get started with today's tutorial. First of all, you need to head up to your browser, whatever is Safari, Chrome, or any browser you prefer. Then search for the website where we are going to download the Blox fruit script. I will leave you the link on the screen. Then search for Blox fruit. It will appear on top of the list. Then click on the download button. Then scroll all the way down. Then here it will ask you for choosing your device. In my case, I'm using an iPhone. I will go with the iOS. Then the download will start automatically, but sometimes due to the high traffic, it may ask you to complete the human verification, but it's simple. You just need to complete 2 offers from that list. I recommending choose the ones with the easy icon, and your download will start automatically. And that's it, our tutorial for today's video. If you need any help, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to leave a like and a sub for new updates. Thanks, see you!